Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Of course, if you are new here, my name is Julius Obura, and this channel is all about advanced Excel, Power BI, the statistical package for social sciences, SPSS. So generally, when I mention those three softwares, I believe someone has already thought about what we call data analysis. In this channel, we also talk about practical accounting skills, where we get to use softwares like QuickBooks, Sage, Advanced Excel also being an accounting software on its own, and many more. So learning of these skills will actually help you to work smarter and grow your career. I know that it's been a while since I last posted, and I just want to really appreciate those who have stayed subscribed on this channel. But the good news is that I'm back. And of course, this time round, I'm back with more structured, practical, and beginner to advanced content than we actually did before. So going forward, you can expect from this particular channel a step-by-step advanced Excel tutorials, Power BI dashboards from real business data that will actually help you to know how to use the Power BI software, SPSS analysis explained in a simple way. We will be covering data analysis in that perspective. And number two, accountants, you also need to expect here some QuickBooks and other accounting software training classes. And of course, general accounting and data analysis knowledge, which is applicable to both students, professionals who are already in the work industry, and business owners. I've also expanded to TikTok, where I'll also be sharing some short practical tips, tricks, and quick lessons, which you can, of course, apply immediately. And therefore, make sure that you also follow me on TikTok as well. So if you want to improve your data analysis skills, you want to improve your accounting skills, or you want to become more confident with accounting software, then you are in the right place. Remember, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget, most importantly, to comment below with what you want me to teach first. Of course, once I see your comment, I'll plan for this in my next videos. So let's learn, let's grow, and let's master these skills together. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.